Hey everyone, I'm going to take you through a very quick tutorial on how to remove the background of images within Canva. So what you want to do is open a new Canva page where your design is going to live. I've just opened a single image Instagram post. Once you have that, you want to open an image. So this can be one of your own images that you upload, or you can just use some of the images that Canva supplies within their library. They have a really great back catalogue of photos you can use for free, so I would recommend making use of those within your designs. So I'm going to choose this one here because it's quite an obvious example, a very simple example to show what is in the foreground, i.e. the phone and the hand, and then what is in the background, obviously this pink area here. So I've got my image there. I want to get rid of the pink. So all I need to do is tap on the image itself. And when I do, you will see that I will be served some options here at the top. If I click off the image, they disappear. If I click on the image, they come up again. Select Edit Image. You'll be then served this option where you can have all different sorts of things to edit your photo with, but I'm just going to select BG Remover or Background Remover. No shame if you don't know what BG Remover is, it's actually not that obvious, so we have here Background Remover. When you select that, it automatically starts the process of separating the foreground with the background. Great. You can see that it's done a really good job at removing the pink background. It's been very straightforward. I love that. That's exactly what I wanted. So I'm going to click apply. And that's it. There you have your image with the background removed. Now what I will do as well is I'm just going to give you a second example, perhaps something that's not so obvious. So let's choose this. So there's a few more textures for the background remover tool on Canva to play around with, but let's give it a go. I'm going to select that. I'm going to just hide that and click Edit Image and Background Remover. And let's see what it does. Amazing. You can see there that it's easily separated the foreground with the background, and now I just have those images to play with. And click Apply like that. Excellent. So that's it, everyone. That's all you need to do to remove the background on your photos within Canva. If you want more tips like this, please subscribe and follow for more, and I will send more to you.